Hi all, today we are discussing about memory unit. What is memory unit of a computer? Memory unit is designed to store data, instruction, intermediate result and final result. We can measure the amount of data that can be stored inside the storage unit or memory unit. The storage capacity is expressed in terms of bytes. So memory unit is actually a place where data, instructions, intermediate result and final result are stored. That capacity of storage is expressed in bytes. There are mainly two types of memories inside the computer. There are primary memory and second one is secondary memory. What is primary memory and secondary memory actually? Primary memory is also known as main memory, used to store data and instructions, intermediate result and recently produced result of processing. And the secondary memory actually also known as auxiliary memory, that is used to supplement of primary storage. These are primary and secondary memory actually. There are different types of primary memories are there. First one is random access memory RAM and second one is read only memory ROM and third one is cache memory. These are the different types of primary memory. Let's see one by one. First one is random access memory RAM. RAM, random access memory, is internal memory of CPU for storing data, programs and program result. It is an internal memory inside the CPU and it is a read-write memory which stores data until the machine is working. That is, when the machine is working condition, it will perform read-write operation. RAM is volatile, that is, it depends upon the power of the machine. When the power is off, the data will be lost. When the power is on, it will store data. There are mainly two types of RAM, static RAM and dynamic RAM, SRAM and DRAM. These are random access memory. Second one is read only memory, ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. The memory from which we can only read but cannot write on it. According to name, we can perform only read operation. We cannot perform write operation on it. This type of memory is non-volatile. There are variety of advantages of ROM. Its non-volatile nature, cannot be accidentally changed, cheaper than RAM, easy to test, more reliable than RAM, static and do not require refreshing. Contents are always known and can be verified. These are the important advantages of ROM. Next, let us discuss about cache memory of computer. What is cache memory actually? Cache memory, also called cache, supplementary memory system. It is a supplementary memory system that temporarily stored frequently used instruction. That is, cache memory stored frequently used instruction result for quicker accessing by central processing unit of a computer. When computer CPU accesses its internal memory, it first checks to see if the information it needs is stored inside the cache. If it is inside the cache, the CPU will return it. The CPU will retrieve it. If the information is not inside the cache, the CPU retrieve it from main memory. This working is pictorially represented here. The CPU here is checks for the data from cache. If it's found, it retrieve it. Otherwise, it retrieves from the main memory. Because of the cache memory is present in between the CPU and main memory, it is highly fast than main memory. The fastest memory inside the computer. Second one is the secondary memory, also known as auxiliary memory. Let us see what is secondary memory. Secondary memory is also termed as external memory and refers to the various storage media on which a computer can store data and program. It is an external memory. It is not present inside the CPU. It's an external memory. The secondary storage media can be fixed or removable. It's a removable disk, also known as secondary memory removable disk. Fixed storage media is an internal storage medium like hard disk that is fixed inside the computer. These are the examples of secondary memory: SD card, HDD, pen drive and CD. These are the main examples of secondary memory. Okay, these are the main important topics of main memory unit. So I would like to thank Asha Miss to giving such an opportunity to conduct this video. Okay, thank you.